Assalamu alaikum viewers. In our last video, we saw parts of speech and learn about noun and two types of noun, that is common and proper noun. Now, next we are going to learn pronoun. If you have not seen our first video of the parts of speech series, so you can watch the video from the link given in the description. Pronoun. A pronoun is a word that is used in a place of noun. Example, me, he, her, they, ourself, someone, everyone, anything. Karthik has a balloon. He has a balloon. In the example above, he is used in a place of Karthik. This word is pronoun. The pronoun it is used for animals and things. It is also used to talk about time and weather. It is 9 o'clock. It is so hot today. In the given table, we will see which pronoun will be used when. These pronouns replace the names of people. He and him used for the name of male. She and her used for the names of female. I, me, you, we, us and them are used for the names of male and female both. Keep in mind, a singular pronoun takes the places of a singular noun. A plural pronoun is used in place of plural nouns. The pronoun you is used in both singular and plural. Hope this video is useful for you. Must watch our next video for next parts of the speech and do like, subscribe and share. Jazakallah khair.